Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Denis-sur-Richelieu is a beautiful and historic village, located about 60 kilometers southeast of Montreal. Nestled along the banks of the Richelieu River, this charming community is part of the Montérégie region, and is known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality. Saint-Denis-sur-Richelieu holds a special place in Quebec's history. It was one of the key sites during the Patriots' rebellions of 1837 to 1838, where residents fought for democratic reforms in Lower Canada. Today, you can explore this history at the Maison Nationale des Patriotes, a fascinating museum located right in the heart of the village. This center offers an in-depth look at the struggles and hopes of the Patriots, who shaped the region's identity. The village is recognized as one of Quebec's most beautiful, thanks to its picturesque streets, historic buildings, and sweeping views of the Richelieu River. Agriculture is an important part of life here, with sprawling fields surrounding the village, adding to its peaceful charm. Whether you're here for the history, the views, or simply a peaceful getaway, Saint-Denis-sur-Richelieu has something to offer everyone.